Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you receive everything you need to do to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Oh, hello there. So today I'm going to talk about the ones. And what is the ones and why would you care? So the ones are creating one of each one of these to scale your business to six figures and beyond. This definitely does that. So the first thing you want to do is create one target market. Who are you targeting? Is it the industrial buildings, daycares, car dealerships, restaurants, HOA associations? The list goes on and on. But you want to really focus on one target market. Then you want to find one source for marketing. Is it going to be YouTube videos, or are you going to do more of Instagram or Twitter? Are you going to do free marketing, which is a part of this that I'm talking about with the Instagrams and all that, unless you do an ad? Are you going to do paid? Are you going to try to partner with someone where you're doing all of the three things? But find one. Either you're going to really get great at free content and doing that, or you're going to pay, which scales you up faster, but of course you're paying money. The free content could take a little bit longer, so depending on where you are in your business, but you want to find one source. So we found one target market, one source, and the next thing you want to do is you want to find one type of cleaning method. You want to really great at that one type of cleaning method. And when you're looking at that one type of cleaning method and you market that, and this is all about Marketing Monday, then that's going to help you figure out what works and what doesn't. So I know in a world of so many options, we think more is better, but actually less is better. And this is narrowing, focusing, and really getting into the niches of what you want to do. So one target market, one source of marketing, and then one type of cleaning method you want to use when you're doing this that you demonstrate in your marketing. And one other thing, do this for 1 year. If you're really looking to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond, then do this for 1 year. It normally takes about 1 year where you're making the revenue of over $10,000, $12,000 consistently. And if you want to net that, if that's what you want your profit to be, not just your revenue, then you're going to make a little bit more than that. But try the ones for 1 year and you'll be surprised how your business really just explodes. I mean, like, pow! And you're so surprised. Now, if you want to know more about the three pillars that I really get into, which is the customer attraction, the acquisition, and the retention, which all of this marketing and the ones fall under, then make sure you sign up for my free masterclass where I go into the blueprint of how to scale your commercial cleaning business to six figures and beyond using the blueprint that I actually use not to do one, not two, but three cleaning businesses. And all of it was within a year. So if that sounds like something you've been going back and forth, and like I say, if you're here, and let's say you're bringing in 3,000 a month, and this is the part, the actual mark where you want to be, like say 12, 13. Then in between here is the learning curve, the learning gap. What do you need to learn to go from here to here? What is it that you need to learn to do that? Well, if you want to learn, make sure you sign up for the free masterclass, because bring your pen, bring your paper, and bring your, what is that? What I'm going to say? Energy. That's right. Bring your energy. Bring your questions. Bring all of it. It can be questions about the masterclass, which we're going to go a Q&A after. It can be questions you have just in general. But make sure you actually click to register. I look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.